Ebusia na so yada foforo bio ma memo akwaba na memfa wo Emra Malope TV so. Ene eyo on the 16th February 2026. Ene da jwada. Wabra about 2 o'clock area PM Ghana time. Wabra wode hwe me pepepe. Enkomo ewo fia ha. We dey menenya asie tu kwan pa ndeda ye bedu ye enti wo hwe program am ye twem ya andra ya wo hwe background na me wo no ade senye studio afeni aba bedu ye bedu nra na adwopa na nya sem keto ye bedu be yes around 11 mu hokra anajo enti in fact me sorry me hu a lot of missed calls brochire for afre papa and Monfanche Memua Namada and then so me da normally me my phone at silence. I'd never see it into Yababedu. Nani nyina Ghana and sem ho anamonto said your man ebe fan and toma pa ediafra. Ma me fanchi akase Emma Doris Asantoa, my manager over US. Comment section agnes happy and rhyme we say we make a comment why are there papa Bob Santo yamin shiramo yamin shira will be biara awo asumdwe WhatsApp group ena esemo ewo fia ha yebedi ho enkomo na nsem no ma memro so die di kan ye osofo nyemtuni aye friend Nicholas omane ya chiampo NPP4 program oye na okwase na ene yebedi ho enkomo. And yet also me, o match in Nigeria for Mrantie dodo pa womo near Casa Nigeria for win nipa, and then people don't believe it. Ya kwache womo boys na juma and say womo kidnapo no when yes can fan but womo sekun amayo chinchinga the so mo ye bi chinchinga no ombe bi chinchinga there was a womo hubi no normal hubi dia bo abenkwan apose for kwache wom Nigeria for win nipa and there am no kase yakwa koso awom omo kidnap office kabra na wenya no makun no manoa no machi no ma roast bi no mare kasa no Igbo kasa wo mu pa dodo but one ye English ebe ma wate ase ba nipa or the video no e ma me free Nigeria no wa kire me ase nyina enti me kire wo ase Nigeria 18 women being they have been arrested. Sam George so babe kasa afa Russia ni branti ya wa bebe gu Ghana ni ma se men kase Ghana ma we use Ghana ma edi Ghana ma binom edi gu Ghana ni ma se no owura Sam George aba abedi eho enkomo na yebeko ne yakwa akohwe eno so aba aha Malope TV aha na nokore ne nyansa ene nimde kasa wonyame nhira na wanya okase me maame aba bedu me maame bia bedu mama Dora wa bedu yamo akwaba obedu Ghana saying mami nchi ame mami Angelina mama Angelina betu kwayo ntina na wonte menka no ebusia mo hwe me voice am se me ho mfa me kakra akwantu na yakoya dwumaden pa but anyway Ghana nti I have to talk nyame enhira ma yetwa ye ho semai enya boafo nkrato mra me pato pesa wo ye advert bibi apesa obohu dewuro bia no o contact ye na ebetumi abohu dewuro edi amawo kama oso nyankopo enhira sa wo hwe Malope TV yetwa ye ho abasema.
Hello?
But I'm saying wrong line.
Where's the Papa Frozen?
Oposi ofia.
Let me share the sea or cocoa.
Okay, no problem. Hi, Oposi.
Hey!
I don't expect something different, Anna.
Oh, David.
What I'm for being on my journey.
Oh, on my journey.
Abusia yetwa ye ho aba se yetwa ye ho aba de a ene ye starting ni sei aya Nigeria de hie bi enho akadwam na wɔn dɔɔso papaapa polisifoɔ akɔkye wɔn dwuma wɔn deɛ ne sɛ wɔn yɛ kidnappers armed robbers na wɔn kidnap wɔn kɔ robbing na wɔn anya bia na wɔn kidnap wɔn kidnap wɔn ma ɔbɛrɛ bi na sika wɔn bɛtwa to wɔn wɔn ntumi ntua deɛ wɔn yɛ ne sɛ wɔn kum etwitwa wɔ si gya so ɛnoa wɔn kyi bi kyinkyiga wɔn roast bi ɛho kama ɛde bɔ nkwan ne adeɛ Nigerians they have been arrested nti yɛnkɔ hwɛ saa video no mmara sisi ha.
ọwọ́ àjọ ọlọ́pàá bá àwọn èèyàn kan ní ìpínlẹ̀ Imo tí wọ́n máa ń pa àwọn èèyàn ẹgbẹ́ wọn tí wọ́n sì ń jẹ wọ́n. Ǹjẹ́ báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ ọ̀nà wo ló gbà ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ. Ní ọjọ́ 12 oṣù kọkànlá ọdún 2022 òun ní ọwọ́ àwọn agbófinró ìpínlẹ̀ Imo bá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n máa ń pa àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n sì máa ń jẹ wọ́n. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé síwájú àsìkò yìí òun ni àwọn ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n ti gba ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀sùn wípé àwọn èèyàn kan kò rí àwọn èèyàn wọn mọ́, wọ́n máa ń jí àwọn èèyàn gbé ní agbègbè náà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Imo. Orúkọ agbègbè tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ti ṣẹlẹ̀ òun ni wọ́n ń pè ní ìlú Nkweri Uda ní ìpínlẹ̀ Imo. Nígbà tí àṣírí fẹ́ tú, wọ́n jí àwọn nǹkan gbé ni àwọn èèyàn bá lọ rìpọ́ọ̀tì lágọ̀ọ́ ọlọ́pàá. Arábìnrin tẹ́ ń wò yìí, ọmọ kékeré yìí, òun ni àwọn ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n tíráàkì fóònù rẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi mọ ibi tí wọ́n gbé sí. Nígbà tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá dé ibẹ̀, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìbọn kàkàkàkàkà, wọ́n sì kó àwọn èèyàn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Níbẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti rí òkú àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ti rí abọ́ tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe ẹran ara àwọn èèyàn, àti wípé wọ́n rí orí àwọn èèyàn ńlẹ̀ẹ́lẹ̀ àti property ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn.
They beat us. They even kill human being, kill them, roast the woman being. I don't know anything. There are plenty. I cannot count.
Kódà sójà kan wà nínú àwọn tí àwọn èèyàn yìí pa tí wọ́n sì jẹ onítọ̀hún. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ya ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lẹ́nu débi wípé ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá DSS ní ìpínlẹ̀ Imo nígbà náà tí orúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ Wikan Idaminabo ó ní látijọ́ tóun ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá òun ò ríru ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ burúkú báyìí rí o. Ó ló ya òun lẹ́nu pé ní àsìkò tá a wà yìí tí ojú ti là àwọn kan tún bẹ tí wọ́n máa ń jẹ ẹran ara àwọn èèyàn.
And then we discovered a lot of decapitated bodies. And surprisingly, in the 21st century, we noticed that people practice cannibalism here because we saw human flesh being roasted. So it was an eyesore. So, and we recovered a lot of vehicles. We saw a lot of dead bodies. What they do is to kidnap.
Ohun tí àwọn èèyàn wá ń sọ nígbà náà ni wípé àṣẹ lótìtọ́ ni àwọn ẹ̀yà kan sì ń jẹ ẹran ara èèyàn níbi tí ojú làdé lásìkò yìí tó. Àwọn èèyàn kan wá ń sọ wípé kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà o, wípé àwọn tí wọ́n ń jẹ èèyàn burúkú ni wọ́n, kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà. Gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Imo tí orúkọ tiẹ̀ ń jẹ́ Governor Hope Odidika Uzodinma ní àsìkò yìí ó ṣàlàyé wípé inú òun dùn, àdúrà òun sì gbà. Ibi kò pẹ́ sí àsìkò náà òun ni àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kan nípínlẹ̀ Imo ni wọ́n ṣe àdúrà tí wọ́n sì gba àdúrà wípé kí àṣírí àwọn tó ń jí àwọn èèyàn gbé kí wọ́n tú. Wípé Ọlọ́run ọba tí máa ń gba àdúrà ni òun dúpẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run gba àdúrà òun, àṣírí àwọn èèyàn burúkú náà sì tú. Ẹ ṣeun bá a ṣe ń wò mí, ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí kò ní fọ́, èyí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ mi kò ní di. Tí ìgbà mìíràn tá a tún máa pàdé, ire o.
Abusia video no na yakwa akɔhwɛ abaro. Ifi akwantu mbae no, the TV ni nso ntim fancha yen. Nyash ene bomodia na wo momehwe. Na yenke yenyi no screen so na manfo hwɛ. Abusia video no na wakwa akɔhwɛ abai. Mbrantie yi a wo hwɛ wo mu news no dodo na ye Nigeria kasam. Na so Nigeria ni abrante a odi video no sene me no ekirechire me efa baby kakra de dembrofo kasa moti se baby na abayo bi kasa mrante ya chi wo mu eye Nigeria fo manante a wo mu awi nipa wo mu ye kidnappers esa ye human eaters ye armed robbers wo mu nko ano nyuma miensa ene wo mu yo na ya chi wo kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa na menyi ni sɛ yɛse kano na megye didiɛ but na say same believing. Yes, Igbos are eating human beings, and today it has been confirmed. All these people you have seen them, they have been arrested by Nigerian police. They are people, they are armed robbers, kidnappers, and also eating a human being. When they catch you, when they kidnap you and they requested money from you and you are not getting it, these people you are seeing them, when they kidnap you, they are Nigerians. When they are Igbos, when they kidnap you and they request the money and you are not getting the money, they will kill you and roast you. They will take you to make a soup. They will eat you. They said Nigeria they eat human being. Igbo they eat human being. This video confirmed that indeed. Today, February 16th, 2026. Today is Monday. It has been confirmed indeed they are still eating human being, and we are entertaining them in our country here. We are not going to allow them to build their kingdom, their whatever, their Igbo village, their whatever and whatever. You see Nigerians, they are still eating human being. You just for with Ghana. I say, you best, one more pen and chinam no man yan. One more pen, one grad, your fish, the air, Momo dentin, bay enti, mojanam dear, pomope. One more pen mojanam to where you what, then you appear pomufula and Vuako is a Nigerian sort of woman yan and Chinama, you on Barry and Ghana for the Momoria and such. Woman, we are no more, or minimum bomb talk on talk. Woman, on Barry, look at it. They are Igbos. You see Nigerians, these people are armed robbers, kidnappers, and women eaters. They have been arrested. Me say, what more be real? Hado. Another lady be kase be chire me. Or say, ewo achem tafo. Achem bi si ho. Abrantia no woye Ghana ni ekotena Nigeria. Na oka Igbo kasa mo bi nkabi. Na watena Igbo kuromu wache wa Nigeria. Oye Ghana eno achem tafo. Eastern region or na me ko school. No frame o so ta hwe me pa. Nti ne no frame no say, "Hey, chale, ya chi guy bi o." Adan ya ya suspect say abrantie bi abofra bi a wayera no. Wonu mu weku ni ye say, ye kohwe ne nkwan mu no omuhu nipa nam. Yes, ayaka. Nti police for investigation. Wo wi nipa Ghana ni wakotena Igbo. Nti Igbo moja awura ni mu. Nigerians eat human beings. These people, you see them in the screen where they have been arrested as they are the people they make kidnapping and robbing, and you know, if they kidnap you and they request the money and you don't get it, they will kill you and they will roast you. They will take you make a soup they eat. Nigerians eat human beings. And Ghana, we made that Nigeria. If we don't take care for these people, they go chew us. Because if you see Ghana, them our body, if you see our body fresh. When they see us, they might hear they want to chew us. They want to take us to make soup. And we are entertaining them. Our president John Dramani Mahama say we are from mother. Our mother doesn't chew human being. Yeah, mami Winnipa. Ghanaians, our mother, you know, they chew human being. Giving His Excellency, the President of Ghana, my President of Ghana knows Nigerians, they chew human being. It is not a news. If you hear say Nigerians, they kill human being, they chew human being, it's not a news. Their best meat, Nigerians, their best meat is human being. So these people, when we are counting human being, are we going to count them? Are we going to add them to human being? Everybody knows it's not alleged. Say Nigerians they eat human being. Even this video confirmed. When I was a kid, they've been telling us, "Hey, Nigeria they call us yalia. Unim na kasa yalia. Oh, yes, obesa is here. Oh, kasa obesa. You could do a It be true, and still they are here. They say sometimes you go hear say obi ayera. Somebody we don't find. Not because nobody say the person has been kidnapped. They can kill you and roast you and take you make a soup and eat. They are vampires, Nigerians. Nigerian people, they be vampires. So those hey, if you see Nigerian man, please run away. Run for your life. If you go to forest, Nigerian, they are like lions. They don't eat grass. They don't eat anything. They always eat them fellow human animals. That is how Nigerians are. They eat human. Abonefo, abonsanfo, abeyfo, kidnappers, tutubotoma kromfo, Monkwa de wiase nyina reject mo. Every country, everywhere has been rejected Nigeria. Why? Because of their evil doing, their evil character. It be Ghana where it cheap. Where they come here, they make nyafu, they make videos, they do whatever they want. Omu say Ghana will be mumu. Oh yes, it's true. That word where Nigeria they say Ghana will be mumu. No, it be true, but it be true where Nigeria they talk. The talk where Nigerian they talk say Ghana be mumu. It be true. Yes, we be mumu. If we are not be mumu, we will not sit down for somebody to come out from his country and say, I won't come build my kingdom for here. Where the person will be king. Recently, they said Kaswa, some Yoruba kingdom they go on for there. Allegedly, they said Yoruba kingdom they go on for Kaswa. Recently, you see, say every bad thing where in Ghana here, if you are looking for where the Nigerian people they stay more, it be Kaswa. So mo pe baby and Nigeria 40 pa wo Ghana ha Kaswa. So everybody the Bonibia they said Kaswa. Obi Ayira Kaswa, I'm Robin Kaswa. Would this same nyinara ibi Kaswa because they did there. They did there plenty. I am Alope TV. Ahana no kore ni nyansa ni nimde. Ka me metimi kuro mo, me kwa ma me man Ghana. I don't fear. I dare my country. Nobody go do me foko. I am fighting for my motherland. The fight where Kwame Nkrumah fight where today we dey in we dey enjoy. It be the same fight I fight. I'm not going to allow the Nigerians to destroy our country. I am going to show them that my character. Ghanaians fear them. Fear them than the Russia mine. If fine, our ladies and some now to yenu animal mano. Oh my nyadio. Say Russia nino. Eti me convince wom ne wom de da ye go mani ma said. I know the oh my nyadia ba brother. Ma me ka se me nchira. Omo no mu die pie woni mu ma bia ene be ma se won pe Ghana ni minua Ghana ni ba be ma se ne pe ya ene ya hu kirenti ene ya otome pene be no meto social media ba weni ye buroni abeto social media na ye ngu ase enti ye ka ye nsusu nka o ma nya de omo ma buroni na yi so ma gu Ghana ni ma se but ne sa eni Nigeria ni a obeche waku awede ene ye. So you Nigerians where you dey talk na Ghana lady naga you dey do more than that ashawo. Well, the whole world knows say if in Nigeria where they do ashawo. The whole world knows say if in Nigeria where they do ashawo. Come up for there. Go build your country. Muama. Yan quite different issues. Some may some ana ura. Onimonyamfo Sam George abedi ho enkomo. Na yehwe Kwanya Sam George efaso edi ho nkomo ene anamo a NDC aban no ebetu afasa asemu ho mekere Russia ni abranti a wabegu Ghana edem ase no ye hwemra.
It's not a crime to be able to convince a man or a woman to go into your room with you in 6 minutes. That's not a crime by the law. That's a personal decision to make. But it is a crime to record a person without their consent. And apart from, and even when you record and keep it on your phone, and the person finds out and reports to us, we'll prosecute you and you go to jail. That's the law of the land. Now, you don't just record it, but you go and post it on a website for financial gain. That gentleman will be looked for. We will activate every resource in our disposal, working with Interpol. The way we've worked with Interpol to extradite Ghanaians to other jurisdictions, we will request the Russian authorities, and that's why I've invited the Russian ambassador, to work with our law enforcement. We want the gentleman to come to Ghana, to be brought back to Ghana, extradited to Ghana, for him to face the rigors of our law. Ghanaian citizens, irrespective of their decision making, will be protected by their government. The government of John Dramani Mahama will ensure that every citizen's rights are protected. And you cannot record a citizen without their consent and air that or post that online. That constitutes a crime under the Cyber Crime Offences Act, the Cyber Security Authority Act, CSA Act 1038 of Ghana, passed in 2020 by Parliament. So we will work on it. We're working on it. With my Lelu team at Cybersecurity is building a full docket. Whether we have the gentleman or not, I intend for us to file a full prosecution. We'll make a representation before the courts, try him in absentia, and get judgment if he fails to show up. But
Abusia, Sam George Akasa. Actions speak better than words. Whereas Sam George, why are there? Wakasa wo bemam naso na MP men koye to say abrante bia minim no uya me bu pagegeme wo pagegeme edu ntokwa no so no eno say because baby yehu bebre ora Sam George yehu bebre me say there bia me koso aka abayiwe ya producer fato wo mame abayiwe ya oba Toronto Ghana Police. Thank you. Sa abayiwe obedi Toronto Ghana Police so say Ghana Police akedam say asam ye huni yakwa kosi to obeku Ghana ni ma si free eko me ya pa enti we akoba ne say no en esase muntu ho anamon na yen kire wiase nyina say yenya fosa Sam George mum say dia waka no mum enani kire ya if not every Russia in this country on fa ne hu ndi ye share Russia ni bia ye ba if we don't samu to minimum say Ghana de emra ye kase ye de mra ne be ye adwuma ye de ye adwuma pa se wagadre bi ambam ne ye kase ye de mra ye adwuma embassy de ai Russia embassy ni pa no say de maka mun contact ne fast no mo for Russia ni mra ni ye fa ni nyina sendi we di for dada if not we are telling Maputo or December Russia president no. If we meet any Russian man in this country, our light alai, oh yo, or better behavior. Although your man didn't quasiasem, yen your man didn't quasiasem. A social, that is what I can say. A social, and remember maybe, or as was a group, or say gun any Burma, Copegan any bar, or penny ya, that was a minidi. Dan wa o se obi se bisa be ma no wo ka wo fie o se wo papa pe wo maame no na wo maame wo de en ana na wo papa no wo de en ana ye de wo eni bre won be bi esika ni bre se ye Ghana for ma ni bi omo ko competition wakọ ni nyonko ba dan mu akọ hu no ma bi ono so pese wo nya bi kwan ben so to ozu wo nya adwuma nso a wo ye incomes no de wakọ wo nyonko ba dan mu no entimi ntoto sa de unim kwa fa so nya ni bre mo ba bi de mo awie obi kura do ase buroni ne kacha so be ware no na dano a aw yenye momo ye Ghana fo ya ye mo amode ye pe mo abra ye bre sofa ye sofa ebi kura fa ho di atem ne ade a yeso aye fa ka yen ye fa ne nguase mo hu ne nguase mo de abre yen se de na mo ka kire yen se de ye me ya kakra wa se bo hu ne se ye se abrante no owo HIV se mu nipa getting to 1000 mo nya HIV adwama nye o enti na me masachira no kamen sachira ya kamen koti ace me de masachira se see am gina me now so pa de me call heaven cause now Malope is born again obi anu say me ya born again odia na de sedia kakra from na cho say viewers na ni age no man yo mosia sere kakra na ya fe sebe endra me ozi Malope minya notification ne gban say wa papa se kai me ko he Malope wa abrochire eze Dubai kra de boys bi o mu adwuma mu yes screen flash screen ne bo ti notification pop say hey chale Malope aba o de Malope o Malope and then I am crofo bi ya no na so atamfo nyame good ye to aso enti His Excellency Sam George mesro we although ana ni nuanum Ghana foi yensusu mlemu ma no yensusu emblemu wom o Ghana ne nko yew o hia ne dosum ye mpanifo bi ne mu hwe de we om ye oman enti what buroni hwe yan hwade o ode ade bia no kan buy say I'm not supporting them medical condemn wom I'm not supporting them ba kokora I'm not supporting them, but yeah, Sanka Sabroni Russia ni nye evil. Ene ampa ni ampa ne ampa ampala. Sam George kura kan ye say obi be so pen ne ya na ni pa. It's not a crime. Enti ase na ye adwuma. Na de ya crime ne video wo the knowledge. Ene na e bone. Enti Sabroni ye broni papa ana mpa opa bibini aware ana mpa ohia mai omumu baako one ne koye bibi ampa ana so ne de so meware na mpa no wa no de no kwa brochi na koye yi a eho no yenka se danaro abie kwan nanso na wo mu nim ni tirimu de wo because yenka wo se omu nya we so video wom ana omu so mu so Boroni amajo ana koba ne sen eti oro Sam George mesro ye ma na di nsamfo ye ma ni bi e di nsamfo but we die de bia mekoso akai every day me ye program bia meka e di akai Ghana sabum ye fa Russia ni mara ye ni na asem na wiase nyina hu se Ghana ye nsoso nkwase asem so okay anyway abusia choku di nsamsem no nyame yadom abnada na mabe interference say sa letter no ababonten say chuku didibim no yesente sa but still now we are making investigation because even anya police can be declare it court and I mean because we police for na dey abanya police na be kire say chuku didi for ana woni for your court and the beba entini ye go so ye investigation because Nigeria for you mutimi ye bibia o and sa kwa na ye say for producer fato mame barrister. Good. Akwawe, Ghanaians, this guy is not a Ghanaian. Abrantie we nye Ghanani or ye Togo. This guy is a Togolese. And I'm when we say Togo, ne me say me ka Togo aigbe. And just me kwa Togo me na me ka aigbe, you may think I'm a Togolese. Oh yeah. Nyamanya vogboto, kakam nyamanya Togoto. Kakala mado vogbo la jibe la kajibe na vogboto manyo. No. Nyamachola Togo, machola Ghana. Ghana view manyo. Lesema. Mauna irao. Papa, you see, so me koto go na me kakasa. Are you not going to think that I'm a Togolese? And to one better na Ghana, me kwa Togo me tena for how long? But no, as I'm speaking, or that's what Ghana. What they are saying? Oh, ye Togo ni, and no defend Chukudi, or no report on the back. That guy, police have to arrest that guy and investigate that guy. That barrister. This country, we the youth are not going to sit down for you foreigners to come and fool us. Abuja yemfiri ho kora yemfiri ho na yenko Nicholas Omani Echiampon abedin komobi but before that ne yenko osofo ase afre no Joseph Wanwan no odansini yenko ti asemi obeka ye and then today na person make us asem no but you too kwanti menenyash baby anana me won network no nheda nya nti na video emma continuously nti yehwe na asem omra sisia
hospital ye bonsam dia
what does for can you
oh aden na senso de ne bo ho udru Zion City abosi mi mfoni si wo
ai
ye media mi mfoni ne da ho no e chese han me kan
ai
na me ko no wo bo hwan wo aya hwa ambulance ne hospital dia ne bo mo football wake up me chiro ne ewia se hwini ho a onipa de bai me na me ka chiro apart from Nyagopon natural things bonsam ne aka nyina ye bonsam dia bebi asika nyina ye bonsam dia me na me ka chiro me nya daje wan dia ma o se be fem moti on mo ye to no mama nipa aye ase adepa bi ne ye te ho
odansini papai na sorry ewo ufin kokko ekokumase a ko wenim kakra kro bi wo kro na me refidi ne kakra osi ni te say estate pa bia na sorry wori yesi ko ho hotel wo ho yesi bia ba wo me de mi nwura ho da but ampa so hwe environment na yesi biaba nti biaba menim se moto nko ahu se club ne application nyina wo hode a yesi swimming pool am say no yen for entertainment am no na church but I don't know na nenu ama wasini na japade o yen wo hode mini problem so for me problem ne say aden papa itna se no enfa ne ya tworo wo bible mo se ayarasa bia ye bonsam de ya hospital Bible say ye ni aduaba ne yemfa ne haha ensa yade se logo ninti ena wo ka saade a ene se church bia so woni logo ebi kura yi so the picture similar to ebi say samfoni na Yesu abrante ebi say Jesus picture which is wrong eye nipa da se ni otia sese me na wo ena omo ya act Jesus film ene ye capture won say Jesus picture enye Yesu mfoni obi eni wi aso wo Yesu mfoni say ye logo na wo kan dia de wo logos bebra ye create wo wi ase a ye nim na de pan what you say Hyundai car your friend Hyundai woni logo eye no want to say HB sa Honda akora de H Toyota e woni logo bibia woni logo even Malope TV kura mi logo nie ene da we Malope TV woni logo television ya draw na BBC eti Okon hospital ambulance saade na eda chire no show e no nti also hospital ya bonsam de a osofo nti mi bisa say wo pese wo de hye wutim say o members yare am mo nko hospital aden na ye chire nkwase ya chire sa aden ye chire nkwase ya chire sa oko FBI oko military mu a ye wo unity bebre bi kura de ye ayi everything abuo we logos no doso ananse ebi ye we police uba unity ni mu a your logos it's just a logo. It is just a logo. Why are you putting it to people's minds? And you know, ukura na saying say hospital ya bonsam dia and you know Christo didn't even call Uncle Jayarashe. Sofo am Wagana, yes, Samo ye one day twemi and yes, I'm crazy. You from Fancham studio and it will be tremendous on any again. So if you will, Fanchami. What do you say? And it is a hospital logo no. Entina wo kase hospital ya bonsam dia you are trying to tell your members some yare amomon hospital mo be ye kunkum nipa o Bible say ye ndi aduaba mfa ne hansa yade ebra Bible say ye bo abrantie bi no obi to ne kwan na kwamukafo ye ka kwamukafo a terrorist ana armed robbers echi no mo bu no kwan in the Bible osofo te se wo eduru wo twamu koye another one eduru wo twamu koye obi ana wanya sofo is just a businessman onu twamu akọ ne be bi tene ponko so no ko any business on kwa sore wono de wo win jot to win cigarette wi chese when san wo benya won ye chese wonye Kristo ni ba bia oduru wo no se odo businessman o ko ye business a pesika tene ponko so asofo di ka betwam no nte ponko so ni bi do you the businessman nebre man ka meka so tini range papam because kan tete utimi to ponko na wo yesikani na no mo bi to kwan ka mo di to kwan ye ponko to oduru ho no tini ponko papa so wo say ya bu obi nipa no onim no se da bi ano tam na tini ponko so according to the Bible so no de ne ko ayaresabia say ye hwe no ba bi ode ne ko no na ye be fre no hospital baby aye sayade baby obi pra baby obi nya accident baby obi yare a ode ne koye e ka se ayaresafo no doctors ne hwe no na wonde wonim no obeto se woda kwan mu a nkrofo bi abo no eye na nka ye be che no so no a ene mra ne tetemra na nka police fo be ka se ye nche no no a isi won enti oye no se mo hwa no na me de me businessman me ye me business enti mo de me de na beto a Bible so oyi sika kakra de to se mo mfa hwa no na me hia me client fo bi ene o ma ye business ayi bi na me nya wi a mesen aba na ma ba hwa se de na hote e ka bi wa kira mesetria ena hospital for so no problem. You see Yesu Kristo any nkrofo hia no o kire wom no o kan sa story we no bi sa say mususu say sa nipa miensan no omumu hwan na ye de eso wo Nyankopon ni you see dia ohun ne mobo wari ase di ode ne ko hospital o gina aka say hospital ye bonsam dia sofo odi nyame nipa hallelujah adansini me pewasem na we die oh adie for yem free hoy aso for yedi o machi a me say you don't know Ghanaian pastors yenga ye bekyere mu akyere pa no na motra yeyo mi wi a ene meto me last song ene de je ma anyum tuni o encha menyum be ba out ti atamfo eyo mo ya wo okay I think say ye de besi ya wo yehwe Nicholas de no so mra yehwe Nicholas o mane a champon enra yehwe ne de mra
enso mpo ya se mo fa ni free meboa MPP for se mo fa kania free meboa enso ni nyine ti no ya no for se debi se ya me ne mo kasai koko ni ya chemu mienu afafa no enim go ase bia betu bia dadio Jesua me papa no mene babusu afo yi nyina wa doctor
abusia Nicholas amane achiampon ensoso ede ne yakohwe no awu die nti a me malopi mini MPP mini NDC mini APC mini gum the support Ghana ebra so fo kiraboso yeso stand president no enye se minimu no ntira but na me pese MPP ni NDC yensesa de yehwe party bi mra na yehwe de oman no ebekọ akosie and this is the reason why Nigeria fonse hunu mudi Dr. Hassan Yarega edi ne huji mu a na me di neche because we are looking Ghanaians we are looking for a neutral party because MPP and NDC no the same category. Nicholas I know say we osofo Bible said you Nyankopon friend no o ka urade asem na ye nyina nim say twere ni di adanse say wuntime nsum awura ne mu be no obedo ba ko achem ba ko Nicholas what da nwadi a kire wiase nyina say we MPP ni ena wiase nipa da sani biare ni ho a ode ne nsa benkum ba kire na agefie indeed we MPP ni a waje atumi no say MPP eya de bi enya migiri say hardly eye dene say wo beka wo pray say wo party beba power and I know say you will interest wo pray say wo party beba power in some video now o fire Captain Smart pa because now no Captain Smart yin when him so NDC nto no so e ka no ama be favor NDC ensem bebere sisi koko nsem Captain Smart wan kan bi asa wan ka Kevin Taylor ono so kan wo kire mu different way obi eni wo beka bibi egu ni party eni ase enipa bi otesa no me malope mi hu sani pan so onye serious sani pan no man no wo party bi na o party ne kra ya de enya you are trying to defend no sani pan no you dangerous ye ka wo mo say o man na wo ka ho me ni MPP me ni NDC ya de enya o fire koko nsemi mabeka ene koko kuani yesi CEO uko Google ndra me Google ye producer ya hwa sa video na mara koko CEO no sika odi me ya hwe wo chena be ka ho asem cause ebere ne ko be Google ya uko Google now bo koko randios and wine ni pay all the is almost 900 million aka 100 million na ye 1 billion yes o giaji entertainment allowance say ya be bo no nyom na tade a wo she monthly be 100 million na koko kuani ebre on my way ye de besi ya na ma me monyum we Nicholas ayon gwa na nim nyum tu be to nyum ya ma ya busia se malope ancha me nyum be ba abontene atamfo nye nyame ate atamfo nye nyame atamfo nye nyame adia mi pe nyinara adia mi pe nyinara adia mi pe nyinara ada weni mu Awurade osi adia pe nyinara me ne pe nyinara de Awurade anim right na baby ya me den se osi me namfo no mu a me de wen hoto won so no bianca sa me buziafo a ameni da won so no wa free me aimoko afekra de waka ne se me bone zaketi na me nyen me bone zaketi na me nyen nanso me die minim se where de wo de wonte sa na waka no wase mu se me ka me bone kire wa wo ye no kwafo se wo de me bone be me na wate me ho afiri enti nyina ho ti ade a me peda wanim ade a me pe nyinara ade a me pe nyinara ade a me pe nyinara eda wani wera de ti baby am say me de no say me namfo no mu a me di mene to wo mo so no so mo ye me namfo biankasa mabusiafo a mani da won so no wa free me high moko afekura de wo ka ne say me bone so akatua na menyan me bone so akatua na menyan nanso me de bi ni mu say where de wo de wonte sa na waka no wase mu se me ka me bone kire wo a wo yo no kwafo se wo de me bone be me na wate me ho afiri enti nyina ho enti ade a me peda wanim ade a me pe nyinara ade a me pe nyinara ade a me pe nyinara ada wani ma wura de wonya mishirawo nyame yadom na bone bi yansi a afia we nkwa wieye no na malope nwuma babontene enye nwum we we obi dia we copyright yo da so rari ya kese elja ahana bread be me kwan ne de ena juada on the 16th February 2026 jumedi no abawieye we awia 2 o'clock ya wo hweme yakobo no me ensan eyi nyame hirawo PM baby a wo hwem bia na nka wo say nwumere 8 yeba but I don't think say nwumere 8 no metumi aba nyame hira wa wo hweme share the link subscribe YouTube channel no share link no say the many ajepa ya say Dubai for no frame o say malote screen dey bo bandan notification ba ya say malope abo ye ko hwe malope e wo say amra wa say makrao bye bye.